Tonight, a local group and neighborhood association held a meeting to discuss ways to save nearly a dozen homes in Winston-Salem on the brink of demolition. The homes are owned by Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist, and they're located on Lockland Avenue in the Ardmore neighborhood. Kara Peters was at that meeting and has more on how the community hopes to change the hospital's plan.
Many of the homes here on Lockland Avenue are 100 years old. Local groups, Preservation for Sight and the Ardmore Association say they have qualities that are worth saving and could be turned into housing units. And we learned that one developer was on board to make that happen, but now that plan is on pause.
My question was, how does Atrium now assume the responsibility of choosing?
Nearly 24 residents Tuesday had a chance to hear about several homes facing demolition on Lockland Avenue. They're owned by Atrium Health Wake Forest Baptist. Bryce Shearburn, a local developer, says his team collaborated with Atrium Health last November about the homes on Lockland.
Had access to the properties to assess their redevelopment potential and submitted a proposal to redevelop them.
Those conversations, however, begin to change.
We were advised that there were various considerations and decisions that would be made, and at each of our subsequent follow-up calls, we basically received that same information.
Jeff Payless and Sarah Schwartz have lived on Lockland Avenue for a few years now. They too want to see the home saved and have questions for the hospital.
What do you intend to do with it? And we're sharing the neighborhood together with Atrium, and we'd like to be kept aware of what they plan to do. We're neighbors, right? Let us know.
Kate Mawini with the Ardmore Neighborhood Association says they will have a sit-down conversation with Atrium Health officials later on this month to discuss where things stand on their demolition plan.
I don't know if that will be productive or not. We did say to them, while we're waiting to meet, we're assuming that you're not going to demolish the houses. So it makes us a little bit nervous, but we're going to continue.
And residents walked away with this sheet of paper to engage with Atrium Health officials and encourage them to consider demolition. And we've reached out to Atrium Health to learn more on when these homes will be demolished and what the plans will be afterwards. And we're still waiting to hear back. In Winston-Salem, I'm Kara Peters for WXII 12 News.